And
Yes.
that's why we need to look out for those guys as well. When we're seeing patterns in them, we need to speak up in the group. Like, it's hard when we've got, you know, 2 special guests in the one segment, like not much time, but we need to speak up. We need to look out for each other.
How do we execute that? Do we have more of a structured program where we're following a process, or do we only have teachers who know what they're doing and can do that responsive one-to-one? And can you do a responsive one-to-one when you've got pairs? It's not quite as easy. You still have to have some kind of structure that we're following. And then, do we offer homework? Because at the moment, I can spend 45 minutes or an hour preparing a homework email for my kids so that it's directed.
Really? Okay. So how many hours a week are you putting into that?
It's ridiculous.
I get it. Yeah. How many hours a week are you putting into that?
Into the homework emails, probably. And I've realised this morning, it came to my head while I was cleaning my teeth, I am not a therapist. And you're not paying me to be a therapist. So I really need to cut some of that stuff down, because kids who come here may also or have already been to speech therapists.
That's what a psychologist does. That's why they charge $1,500 for a session.
Exactly.
That's not your job. Either rebrand yourself into that, or get that 15 hours of your life back. And then the 2 hours a week emails to teachers and parents, they're the ones that matter. It's like you could cut 10 hours off preparation, 15 hours off your note taking, and that instead of doing 2 hours a week to parents and teachers, do 4, and you've doubled your productivity.
Yeah.
What are you going to do with Tuesdays and Wednesdays? Man, you'll have nothing to do.
Walk my dog.
Walk your dog. Just shows how much in a tunnel you were.
Totally.
You out of it. And that's isolation. That's why we have this mastermind group.